Hey, let's make some crispy butterfly shrimp. Alright, as you can see, I already got some of these shrimp already butterflied and deveined. Yeah, most of them, however. I got these two I'm going to do for you so you can see how to do it yourself. You know what I'm saying? Only thing you're going to need is one paring knife and some kitchen shears. I use these to cut the shell off and partially devein some of the shrimp. So first things first, what we're going to do is take the head off, right? Boom. Don't throw these away. Take them, put them in the Ziploc bag, put it in the freezer. This makes some amazing shrimp stock. Go ahead and take both of them off. Alright, from that point, let me get this out the way. And from this point, I'm going to take these shears right here, right? I'm going to start from the top. And just right on the, kind of on the surface, I'm just going to cut, snip all the way to this last little piece of shell right here, right before you get to the tail. From that point, we'll just go ahead and take the shell off. Oh, fumble. Take the shell off there. And now we got this vein in here, or the intestine, whatever you want to call it. We're going to just use our paring knife to flick that out. Pull that on out. Get as much of it out as possible. And there's this little piece here from the head. I'll show you how to remove that. Before you do that, let's start from the tail end of the shrimp. You're gonna cut about halfway down, not all the way. You don't want to split it in half, but halfway down, all the way towards the head of the shrimp, right? From this point, you should be able to just press it open. That's what I do. Lay it flat, you just press it open like that. And now, this little piece here, that's on the shrimp, I'm just gonna cut that off. Cut that off. And apart from the head. You put that with your oven. Now we're gonna make our egg wash. All you need here, 2 eggs. Just crack them. 2 eggs and cold water. It's probably about 2 tablespoons cold water. Grab a fork, beat it. Get your egg wash going. Try not to make a mess like I'm doing. It don't matter. I'm gonna clean it up. Boom. Egg wash. Clean your mess up. Then from the egg wash, you move on to your flour. We're gonna take that flour, season it up a little bit. Look at that. And I'm using that, of course, the GooderThanAMug seafood seasoning. Give it a few shakes in there. You don't have to go heavy because this stuff is all natural, pure seasonings, and it's potent enough to where you can season it light and still get that amazing GooderThanAMug flavor. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and mix the seasoning in there. I want some more seasoning in there because it'll just make me feel good. You know, you can season it to taste. That's how I feel. I'm gonna season till it make me feel good, and I think that did it right there. Oh yeah. Get them bad boys a little season. Same thing, GooderThanAMug seafood seasoning. It's lightly. It doesn't take too much. So basically, you're gonna go flour. Dredge it in the flour. Shake out the excess. I like to just pat it like that. Excess egg wash. Notice I'm not really putting the tails in the flour. And get your breadcrumbs. Get it coated thoroughly. From the south. That's how we say it. Thoroughly. Nice and coated. Then boom. Lay your shrimp in there. One more. Dump out the excess flour. Egg wash. These are pretty big shrimp, man. Breadcrumbs. Coat it thoroughly. Just remember thoroughly while you're battering your shrimp. You got to do it thoroughly. If you don't do it thoroughly, you have some weak ass butterfly shrimp. Nope. Your battered shrimp. You can add your sizzle as soon as you put it in there. What I'm really watching for is the tails. Once they turn pink, I'll be ready to take them out. Notice I'm laying them with the cut side down, the side that we filleted. That side is going down. Not filleted, but butterfly. Now these are going to fry for about maybe 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. I'm going to end up with a nice crispy crust from the batter. And I'm telling you, it's probably going to be some of the goodest damn butterfly shrimp you ever had in your life. Alright, these bad boys been frying for a good 5 minutes, maybe 6. Nice and pink. Oh yeah. That is beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. We're going to take these off. And I got a wired rack that I'm going to set them on. I'm going to put them in the oven and let them stay warm. Now like this. I got the oven set on the lowest setting, and I'm going to just pop these in here uncovered and let them just stay warm while I get through hooking up my fries and all that good stuff. Alright, real quick before I forget, man. Don't miss the Cyber Monday sale. If you missed the Black Friday sale, sorry, you missed a good one. I was practically giving away the seasons, man. Big discount deals. Man, you saw that one messed up. Gotta take the lid up. But if you go to GooderThanAMug.com, at your checkout, put in the coupon code Cyber Monday. You can get seafood seasoning, Cajun seasoning, seasoned salt, spicy lemon pepper, smoked lemon pepper, a sweet smoky barbecue sauce, a sweet smoky barbecue rub, and an all new seasoning, Yardbird seasoning. Now that seasoning hit hard for all your poultry dishes, any chicken, turkey, whatever the hell the poultry is, you know, it's gonna make that thing take off. You know what I'm talking about? But all bundle deals take an additional 15% off when you enter the coupon code Cyber Monday. So make sure you go and check it out. Happy holidays, and let's get back to finishing this meal. Double dip. This is mine. Oh my God. Lord have mercy. Now that is gooder than a mug. Woo.